Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to verify TikTok Shop account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So verifying your TikTok Shop account is essential for selling products and receiving payments through the platform. So to do this, you need to first of all create a TikTok Shop seller account. To do this, you need to visit TikTok Seller Center and sign up using your TikTok account, email, or phone number. Once you have done this, you need to now simply choose your account type. You need to choose individual seller or business seller. After doing this, you need to select your country as well to ensure compliance with regional regulations and prepare required documents. There are different documents like government issued ID, proof of address, valid phone number, tax identification number, and different documents that are being asked on your screen. And after doing this, you need to submit your verification application. Once you have done this, you need to simply submit your application for review. You need to await for approval. The verification process typically takes 1 to 3 business days, and you will receive a notification via email or within the seller account once the application is approved. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.